Have you ever wondered where we came from? Not just a million years ago, but the very first steps toward becoming human. Millions of years ago, under the blazing African sun, the world was wild and untamed. Towering trees and golden grasses stretched as far as the eye could see. Among the shadows of the forest, small ape-like creatures moved cautiously, climbing, watching, surviving. Then, something incredible happened. One of them stood up. Not fully, not confidently, but just long enough to see above the grass. Long enough to notice danger. Long enough to take a step on two legs. This was Australopithecus, the first upright walkers. Their brains were small, about a third of ours. Their arms were long, still perfect for climbing trees. But walking on two legs freed their hands. Hands that would one day shape tools, fire, and civilization. Evolution did not rush. It waited. It refined. Around 2 million years ago, a new kind of human appeared. Homo habilis, the handyman. Taller, smarter, with brains growing larger than their ancestors. Their hands were precise, able to hold objects in new ways. And for the first time, stones became tools. Sharp flakes to cut meat, heavy stones to crack bones. With tools came better food. With better food, their brains grew bigger. They were not just surviving, they were learning. Then came a giant leap, Homo erectus. Taller, stronger, fully adapted to walking long distances. This species left Africa, exploring Asia and Europe. But their greatest gift to themselves was fire. Imagine the first flame flickering in the dark. Fire warmed the cold nights, scared away predators, and transformed raw food into energy for growing brains. Around those flames, early humans could talk, plan, and share ideas. Fire became their companion, their protector, their teacher. Meanwhile, evolution continued its quiet work. Homo heidelbergensis emerged, hunters of large animals, builders of simple shelters, thinkers with even larger brains. They paved the way for species that would thrive in extreme climates. Then the Ice Age came, and with it, Neanderthals. Stocky, powerful, adapted for the cold. They hunted in groups, cared for the injured, and even buried their dead. Their lives were not just about survival. They made symbols, perhaps even art. They were social, intelligent, and deeply human. And finally, Homo sapiens, our species, the wise man. Rounded skulls, chins, smaller brow ridges, and brains capable of imagination beyond anything before. Language flourished. Ideas spread. Art, music, and culture emerged. We left Africa, met other human species, even interbred with them. Slowly, the Earth became ours. About 12,000 years ago, everything changed again. We stopped moving constantly. We planted seeds. We domesticated animals. Villages formed. Cities rose. Civilization began. From stone tools to skyscrapers. From fire to electricity. From survival to exploration. And now from our hands to the stars. Look at your hands. They carry the memory of stone tools. Look at your mind. It carries the memory of fire, hunting, and imagination. Evolution is not just in our past. It is in every thought, every idea, every invention. And the story is far from over. We are Homo sapiens, the latest chapter in an extraordinary journey. And the next step, that is still being written.